Well, good morning. This is just the start of sunrise at the Lower Mountain Creek campground. We're actually not on Mountain Creek, we're on the Yellowstone River, which you see is quite calm here. Uh, Although there's some rapids just below us as it speeds up. The campsite is challenging to get to. It's 1.1 miles away from the trail, and there is not really a trail to get here. There are some markers on trees and game trails and some horse trails that intersect in complicated ways, but we made it. As you can see, it's a beautiful location with the foothills of the southern Absarokas off to my left. Uh, if you look to my left, you're looking down the thoroughfare towards the Thoroughfare Ranger Station and into Bridger Teton National Forest. To the right is downstream on the Yellowstone River. Last night we saw two bald eagles at this site. I don't see them yet this morning. Yesterday, along the trail, some of us saw three wolves, an elk, and a couple of mule deer. So, a lot of wildlife out in this country. And I will stop talking and just let you enjoy this scene at Lower Mountain Creek. You may have heard some Canada geese and seen them flying off to the left there. There's also a lot of sandhill cranes through here.